Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Aileen Kabakungan, 32 years old, from Philippines, married, and blessed to have two kids. Their ages is 13 years old, and my youngest is 6 years old. I am a high school graduate. My height is 155 centimeters, and my weight is 65 kilograms. I worked before in United Arab Emirates for 2 years. My main duties there are cleaning the house, iron, laundry, cooking, car washing, and taking care of the baby. I serve 5 members of the family, my madam, my sir, and their the 3 kids. Their ages is 12 years old, 11, and the youngest is 7 months old. When my madam go, I take care the baby. I will feed him, change him, play with him, read the story, and sometimes I will sing a song like this. Itchy witchy spider grow up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spiders out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itchy witchy spider grow up the spout again. To my future madam, please allow me to work with you and serve with your family. I will promise to you that I will treat your kids like my own kids. I am trustworthy and hardworking. I will assure you that I will do my job well every day to make you happy. Thank you.